Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to give access to your client in GoHighLevel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're on the page, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can manage all your client settings and permissions. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation menu with several options. Look for and click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to configure user access and permissions for your team and clients. Once you're in the Settings section, stay on that left sidebar and click on My Staff. This option allows you to view all the users who have access to your GoHighLevel account, whether they're team members or clients you've granted specific permissions to. Now, from the list of users that appears, locate and select the specific client you want to give access to. Next to their name, you'll see a pencil icon. Go ahead and click on that pencil icon to open their user profile and begin editing their permissions. After clicking the pencil icon, a new menu will appear on the left side of the screen. From this menu, click on Roles and Permissions. This is where you can control exactly what features and sections of your account this client can access, giving you complete control over their experience. At the top of this section, you'll see an option labeled User Role. Click on this drop-down menu and you'll be presented with two main options, User or Admin. The admin role gives full access to everything, while the user role allows you to customize specific permissions. For this example, let's stick with user so we can control which features they can access. Now scroll down the page and you'll see a list of different access options available. Each one represents a specific feature or section within GoHighLevel. For this example, let's find calendars in the list. Once you locate it, click the toggle button next to it to enable access. This allows your client to view and manage calendars within the platform. Next, find the Contacts option and click the toggle button to turn it on. This gives your client the ability to access and manage contact information, which is essential for most client-facing roles. Right below that, you'll also see Conversations. Go ahead and toggle that on as well so your client can view and respond to messages. Continue scrolling and locate opportunities in the list. Click the toggle button to enable it. This allows your client to track sales opportunities and manage their pipeline effectively. Also, find Dashboard and toggle it on. This gives them access to the main dashboard where they can see an overview of their account activity and key metrics. At this point, you can continue scrolling through the list and enable any additional features you want your client to have access to. Take your time reviewing each option to ensure they have everything they need without overstepping any boundaries you want to maintain. Once you've finished selecting all the permissions, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save. This will apply all the changes you've made and officially grant your client access to the features you selected. And that's it. You've successfully given your client customized access in GoHighLevel, allowing them to work within the platform while maintaining control over what they can see and do. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.